Hello guys, so yesterday we did a video on how to request for M-PESA certificate, and I said that when it's sent to me I'm going to do a video on how to install it. So I want to just show you how to install it, and the first thing you have to do is to open open Internet Explorer browser from your machine, and you have to check first if it is there. And how do you check? So for you to check, you have to go back to this to the website that you are sent with Safaricom. Okay, when you're applying, so this link here, you just copy it and go back to Internet Explorer and paste it there and hit enter. And it's going to prompt these details, the username and the password. So just copy the username here, you paste there, and you copy your password, and you paste, and then click on OK. And then this prompt, just click on yes. And now you can see, like, you have this link that says view the status of a pending certificate request. So when you just click here, it will take you to this page. So select the certificate request you want to view. So you can click on this and allow here, and you can now see that a certificate is already there. It is saying the certificate you requested was issued to you. And now you have this link that says install this certificate. Okay, so I just want to click on install here. Okay, and you can see this is not trusted. Trust certificate choose from this authority install. So just click on install, and here you just click on you want to open and save this one. You just click on open. And you can see the certificate there, and just click on install here and the current machine, then next, and then you'll just select here. So here you want to select this trusted root certification authorities, and then you click on OK, and then you click on next, and then you just click on finish, and then you just click on yes. Okay, then you click on OK. So after that, you'll have to go back to this website here. You have to go back to this this website, this window that you just opened here, and what you just want to do is click on install certificate, and you can see your new certificate has been successfully installed, and that is it. And now if you try to access the M-PESA organization, you should be able to access it. And now you can see it prompts you to use this certificate, and just click on OK, and there you go. Now you have the M-PESA organization. You are able to access the M-PESA organization portal. So thank you for following, and in case of any question, let me know in the comments section.